Hello guys, welcome to CADVOYAGER. Today we are going to see about the entire settings about the line command, uses of line command, how we can draw using the keyboard without using the mouse, everything extra. Come, we can go to the video. Before going to the topic, please make a quick tip that always focus on the command line so that you can learn the commands fastly. So that only I have make the command line bigger size here. You can see. Now let's learn about the command. If your AutoCAD is of the higher version, you can see the line command below the home button. If your AutoCAD is of the lower version, you can see the line command below the draw button. You click the draw button, the line commands or commands will be up or down side. Or you want the shortcut for the line command, click L and enter. L is the shortcut for the line command. L and enter, the line command will applicable. Check L and enter. Now there's a word see below line specify first point. We have to specify the first point for the line. Okay, I'm going to give 0 comma 0 in the command line for the line. I'm just going to access the line command entirely using the keyboard. After I clicking 0 comma 0, the first point is accessed in the origin of the XY coordinate system. Now I am going to specify my second point to draw the single line that is in 5 comma 0. That means 5 points in x axis and 0 points in y axis. A line is drawn. For the next point I have to draw. That means I am just going to draw a square now. For next point I am going to give 0 comma 5. Okay, 0 points in x axis and 5 points in y axis. Note that the system use completely relative coordinate system, not coordinate system, relative coordinate system. Okay. Now a line is drawn from the top side. Now I am going to give minus 5 comma 0. That means minus 5 points in x-axis and 0 points on y-axis. Now another line creates into the left side. This is I'm completing using the keyboard, not using the mouse. Now after giving this, you can see a close and do. Two options will be there. I am clicking close. What does it mean? Means if you clicking close, the last point of the line and the initial point of the line will get merged and it will give a single line that will completely close the object. For this close, C and enter is the shortcut for it. And the command that generated is now terminated. Uh, Undo is used to delete the previous mistake, the last mistake you have done. If you once press CTR plus Z, that is the shortcut for undo. The last mistake will be get deleted and the previous object will be appeared. Next we are going to see how to draw the line command using the angle. Before that, move the square to somewhere else. Select and move it. Note we are going to draw the line for the 5 units only. I think you everyone know how the angle of the projector will be 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree and 360 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. That will be in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now click L and enter. It will ask specify the first point. For first point 0 comma 0 you have to click so that the origin will be created for the line. Then after click 5 lesser than symbol to access the angle function. Then 5 lesser than 0. That means 5 points in 0 degree. That after 5 lesser than 90, 5 points in 90 degree. And then 5 lesser than 180 degree, that will produce a line in left side. See, and then click C and enter. That will close the object into a complete object. Now again move the square. Next we are going to see how to draw a square using the mouse pointer directing and entering the unit value by keyboard. That means a mouse and keyboard combination. Click Ctrl plus L, the shortcut for the line command, and then give unit value 0 comma 0 for the first point in the origin. Here I said I am going to draw the line using the mouse pointer directing direction. So I'm taking the mouse pointer to right side and I'm entering the unit value 5 and I'm making a click so that a line for 5 units drawn in the origin to right side. That after I am making a click and then I'm taking the mouse pointer to top and entering again unit value 5. Here I'm using the unit value 5 just for a reference. You can use any value and you can draw any shape, rectangle, triangle, that's your choice. I'm just showing how to draw a square using line command. Okay, then taking above and giving 5 unit and making a click, then taking the pointer to left and again entering 5 unit and making a click, then I am again pressing Ctrl plus C and enter. This closes the command and terminates the command and gives a close object for a square. Okay, this is a perfect square. And now move the square to right side. Now we are going to see how to draw a square while using only mouse pointer. The previous square which we have drawn as a perfect square and the square we are just going to draw is not a perfect square. I'll show you how, I'll show you why. Please come, let's proceed. Move the square right side. Now press Ctrl plus L, which is a shortcut for line command. Then here you can't give any 0, 0 because we are going to draw only using the mouse pointer. Just click approximately in the origin. If you can click exactly, but no one can click exactly. Just click and take the mouse pointer right side. Here I turned on the ortho, so only the line will projected in 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree. Okay. Now draw the line to 5 units and make a click. Now draw the line to top side 5 units and make a click. Now again draw the line to left side 5 units. Make a note here, previously we used close command to close the object. Here we are not going to use close command. Instead we are going to close the object. Take the line from top to bottom and click in the point. Now this square is completed and I'm just going to show why it is not a perfect square. Okay, once I keep it in the perfect square which I made and I zoom, there's a little variation. This is the only drawback of the line creating only by use of mouse pointer. It is not a perfect square while other three are the very perfect square. Now I have to select only the previously kept square object. What can I do? For this only I said selection commands in the first video. Please go through ahead of that video. That's a selection for previous selection. If I click Ctrl plus P, the lastly created object will get selected and I can usually operate it. See, that's all. For selection command video, there is a link in description. Please go through it and get what are the types of selection we have spoken about it there. You may have a doubt why we are explaining such a small line command this much of deeply. In AutoCAD that is such a small command, while in AutoLisp you have to know every basic operation of line to learn AutoLisp to modify the commands everything. So only we are teaching a single command in this depth manner. In future we will surely teach every command depthly so that you will get such a good knowledge in AutoCAD in AutoLisp also. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like our video, share to your friends if anyone wants to learn AutoCAD. Please give comment anything we have to change in the video.